F5 smartphone was launched in October 2017. The phone comes with a 6.00-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2160 pixels. Oppo F5 price in India starts from Rs 18,249. The Oppo F5 is powered by octa-core MediaTek MT6763T processor and it comes with 4GB of RAM. The phone packs 32GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Oppo F5 packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 20-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Oppo F5 runs Android 7.1 and is powered by a 3200 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 156.50 x 76.00 x 7.50, height x width x thickness, and weigh 152.00 grams. The Oppo F5 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts Nano-SIM and Nano-SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB OTG, FM, 3G and 4G, with support for band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope. About Oppo. Oppo Electronics Corp is an electronics manufacturer based in Guangdong, China. Known for its smartphones, the company also makes MP3 players, portable media players, LCD TVs, and DVD/Blu-ray players. It was founded in 2004. The company is also a smartphone maker. It has launched a whole range of Android-powered smartphones.